Yeah.
Oh!
Touchdown.
Touchdown!
Now tell me this. That wasn't the center that just caught that ball, was it?
No.
It wasn't? No.
Mm-mm.
It
No.
wasn't?
No.
All right.
No.
Dude was center. All right.
He was center. He was center.
Center caught the ball. Gotta replay it. Nice play though. Just gotta do it over again.
Y'all got shake.
Oh! Oh! Gotta bring him down! Good play, Josh. Good play.
That's it. 31. Let him go. No, let him go. And that feel good though. That feel good though.
You were waiting for that, huh? You were waiting for that.
31.
That was the first one. That wasn't 10
Calm
yards.
down, bro. Yeah.
Let me see. I guess that was Harold.
I would go on.
That wasn't you. You weren't on him. All right, that wasn't you.
That beat with the oldest route in the world. I want to be on the line, man.